All right, do you know what to do if you're involved in a car accident? Well, if not, we've got an expert in the house to help you out. Attorney David E. Gordon joining us this morning to answer your questions about some of these nasty car accidents and the situations that arise as a result. David E., let's get to some questions. Darren in Raleigh, he says, was in the first car in a 3-car pileup on the expressway last week. The car in the back of that caused the accident, did not have insurance. But the car that hit me has insurance, Geico. But Geico refuses to fix my car. Can they get away with that?
Well, you know, that's a common misconception. That is, we think that if we got hit in the back, that the car that hit us must pay for it.
Oh.
However, remember, our viewer says that the accident was caused by the first car,
Another
the car
car, yeah,
in the very back. And that's the car that must take responsibility for it. So the middle car is not responsible.
Oh, wow.
It sounds like this man must bring the claim against his own company under uninsured motorist coverage.
Okay, if he has that.
If he has it.
If he doesn't, he could be in trouble.
He is in trouble.
Okay, all right. Sarah in Midtown asks, I broke my ankle in a car wreck last June and I'm still getting medical treatment for it. My health insurance company says I must reimburse them $55,000 from the settlement money, and the other driver's insurance company only has $50,000. Am I going to get zero from the settlement?
It sounds like if she doesn't get some help, she will get zero.
Wow.
She has some power, though. Her power is that that claim doesn't settle. That is, she doesn't get that $50,000 until she signs a paper. Mm-hmm. It's her signature that matters. So she can negotiate with her health insurance company for less than that $55,000 so that she can get some of the $50,000.
Okay, that's an interesting one, too. Okay, Mark in Germantown says, after a bad wreck last month, I was rushed to the med and hospitalized there for 10 days. The bill, approximately $75,000, and they've delivered to me a hospital lien by certified mail. What does this mean? Do they have a lien on my house?
Fortunately, the answer is no. They do not have a lien on his house. They have a lien on the claim.
Oh, okay.
So that...
Meaning if he gets any money...
Exactly.
I gotcha.
If he gets money for his injuries, the hospital gets paid.
Gotcha.
Once his health insurance pays the bill, though, the lien must be released. So if his health insurance pays that bill, he needs to call the hospital and remind them to please release that lien.
Gotcha. Interesting questions today. All right. We didn't have time to get to them all, Dave, but I'm going to put your number up in case your question didn't get answered. You want to contact David personally. 901-818-4889. Is that the right number?
That's it.
Call David E. Gordon, get the answers to your questions. Some of those guys may need to call you just to make sure.
Those are some tricky situations.
Those are tricky situations, yeah. All right, David E. Gordon, good answers as always, good questions from you. Still to come here, getting the silent treatment at work. What do you do when no one's talking to you or key people aren't talking to you? The workplace expert is in. She's going to hash that out for us.